Hey guys, little video today about the discus tank and one more time regarding some techniques on the life support system. Today I've done a swap between on the UV sterilizer between the Helix Max 2 18 watt of Aquamedic to the Evo UV 25 watts from Aquarium Evolution. So this brand, this one is typically German one. This brand is not so well known in France or in Germany. Aqua Evolution, I guess it's more Americanish or English company, and well established in pound system with koi and so on. Not so often you can find some material for aquarium. Nevertheless, when you have some quite big tank and you want to push a bit more the water quality, you can also give a try to what is used currently in the pond domain with the koi, because koi cost way more than the fish that we have in aquarium. So this business drives some new technology or evolution that can be also profitable for aquarium, I would say. So by the way, here is the new guy. And I will put you a little bit more light to see it. So UV sterilizer is quite easy. The system, you know, certainly put some water in contact of the tube, irradiation of the UV, kill everything, all the germ, all the algae and so on, and after that putting back over there in the filter. What I can show you, this is, I'm not sure that I open the maximum of the water flow, and I will just give a try this way. You see? So of course you can put 1,000 of liter per hours in this tube and it's supposed to work properly. I haven't tested with this water flow exactly how many liters I'm doing per hour, but it's not a big deal. I will play around this parameter. So what could be interesting for you, this is also the reason why I switched from 18 to 25 watt. It's not necessarily just the power of the lamp, this is a lamp technology, and this is also how long is the lamp. In this Aquamedic setup, this is the Helix Max 2, this is the second version already. The lamp is as big as this, so compared to this one, from this to here, you have already quite the double of length. After that, it's not necessarily just the sizing of the lamp, it could be also the power and what kind of UV, but I'm already interesting to see if the length can bring something. After that we have 25 watt here, 18 watts, so it's slightly a bit more powerful here, letting you throwing a bit more water in the system, and nevertheless getting quite 99% of the germs killed. So this is the idea of UV sterilizer. In comparison to Aquamedic Max 2, Helix Max 2, what I can see, this one is more compact. You can see it here, it's up to there, so it's a bit longer, 60 cm I guess on the website, or 57. This one is a bit more compact. This one can turn, I show you already. This here, it's a kind of pivot, so you can change the orientation, and you can also have the intake here and the output here, for example, depending on your setup. What is nice as well, this is this kind of tubing that you can adapt, but I would say that the here Aquarium Evolution one go up to, this is a 12-16 tubing, so it's very nice that you have a last one that I can use directly, because here Aquamedic, in fact it should have been this one, and I have to use 16-22 mm of tubing on this Helix Max 2, and it's a bit pity. I don't understand why they don't put the last one. These tubing are quite basic tubing, I would say, and size for aquarium, and through 12 mm of diameter, I can tell you that you throw enough water flow for this little guy to handle it. So you don't need such big tubing depending on your setup. What I don't really like with the Aquamedic, this is this big adapter. So maybe Aquamedic see it as an improvement. Yeah, why not? But I really prefer here the box is bigger, clearly. Okay, maybe safer then, but at least it is included and fixed directly on the system quite nicely, I would say. Something else interesting, and in both cases it was well done from Aquamedic and Aquarium Evolution. This is a fitting as a stance. This one clearly can be used directly on the alu profile, and here this is you are using this fixation. In theory you have in the little box some plates, metal plates, to set up the fixation based on some holes behind, but in fact if you check a little bit here you have a possibility to use directly this kind of corner stand, and with a little alu profile piece you can set up everything slightly above the ground, not touching. If there is any water leak, it's always better to set it up this way. Other than that, I guess both products are very good, and I'm just curious to see the evolution of the tank with this Evo UV 25 watt. That's all regarding the UV. I just share with you as well the experimentation started a few days ago about the nitrate absorber, or the Sichem Purigen 1 liter in this 3 liter cylinder. As you can see, the slightly orientation of the cylinder is not helping at all, because over time you have all the Purigen stuck in one side of the cylinder, so not necessarily increasing as expected the surface with the water. The flow is still nevertheless good, but typically such complicated setup doesn't bring so much at the end. And here it's already brown. I have to test my water to know if it's already full out of the parameter. If you check the tank, it's crystal clear, so I guess it's still working a little bit. Hopefully, I would say, because 1 liter of Purigen, it's supposed to stand 6 months with such kind of aquarium. So that's all for today. Hope everything is going fine, guys. Ciao.